Let's say you were asked to factorise 2x plus 6. Well, factorise is about factors, but what I'd like you to start off doing is by making 2x plus 6. So 2x plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I want you to make this into a rectangle. So there's two different ways of doing it. You can obviously just put them all like this. And you can put them all next to each other, like this. And this rectangle has a height here of 1 and a length of 2x plus 6. Okay? Oh, plus 6. So you could say this area's rectangle is the same as 1 multiplied by the length 2x plus 6. But that's just the same as 2x plus 6. That's not anything any different. So let's do it a bit differently. So I could also rearrange this to make the rectangle look like this. I could do 2 here. And the thing is, I couldn't just put all 6 on this side now, because that's not actually a rectangle. It's sort of like an L shape. But if I put them like this, I've now got myself a rectangle, because both the top and the bottom are the same length, and both the ends are the same length. And now if I look at the height here, that height is 2, because each one has a height of 1. And this length here is x plus 3. So I can write that as 2 lots of x plus 3, which mathematically is better to write 2x plus 3. Now that is what factorising is. Basically, you're saying what are the common factors, what do 2x plus 6 both have in common? And to use algebra tiles, you make a rectangle with this area, and you find what two things do you multiply together to get this. Now, alternatively, you can actually look at 2x plus 6 and say, what are the common factors? What numbers do they have in common? Well, both 2x and 6 are in the 2 times table, hence the 2 here and the 2 here. And then you can think about, well, what do I need to multiply by 2 to get 2x? Well, I need to multiply x. This bit then gives me the 2x. That's where the x comes from. And what do I need to multiply by 2? By 2 here to get 6. Well, that was 3. 2 multiplied by 3 gives me 6. And that's what you have to do for factorising. You make your shape with the area given to you. Remember, if it's a negative, to use the white tiles. And then the answer, the factorised answer, is the answer in brackets. So 2x plus 6 equals 2 lots of x plus 3. And of course, you can always check your answer by expanding your brackets here, using either the grid method or again the algebra tiles, because you do one that's got 2 by x plus 3, which gives you this area here.